Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in class 6 English and I hope you are safe with your family. So a previous lecture, it means yesterday I told you that what is the exactly story, right? I gave you the objectives also. I also narrate one story also regarding the related to the chapter. Now in this chapter the main character is Shai Kent and the place is Sydney Airport. It means is the story is revolved in the city of Australia, that is the Sydney. Now we all know that the writer presenting the time, that is the evening time, 6:45 p.m. The writer also informed the Shai Kent and sorry and also inform us his her dream, right? She was 13-year-old. She loved to watching a plane. She loved watching a planes to landing and the taking to land and to take off, right? She also told us that what that is that the children's intelligence also, even she saw one thing, that is the flight of the Bangkok, that is something fall down from that flight and it's falling, it's landed near some trees and bushes and she want to see what is it a part of the plane, right? And then after she run to towards to the airport, but she had to stop because why? Because there was one fence and there is one signboard also that airport, please keep out. These are the things that yesterday I told you, right? Now the further lesson, that is I am telling now what is exactly happened. How can she prove her intelligence? How can she save the life of the people? Right? See this. She looked through the fence into the bushes. There was a fence and that's why she looked throughout the fence. Fence means barrier. Yesterday I told you the wire net covered with the poles. So fence means barrier. What did Shai do near the fence? So she looked through the fence into the bushes. It was quite dark and she could not see the things very clearly. It was very quite dark and that's why she could not see the things very clearly. So why could not Shai see the things clearly? Because it was quite dark and that's why she could not see the things very clearly. She noticed something on the ground. Something on the ground she noticed. What is that? So she pulled out her camera from her bag and took a picture of through the fence. And we know that sometimes she carried a camera with her, right? And so this time she has a camera. That's why she took out the camera from her bag and took a picture through the fence. As soon as she did so, she heard a sound. Right? When she took this picture and suddenly she heard some noise. Hey, what are you doing here? Now the voice. A guard came out from behind the trees and walked up to the fence. So, who came out behind that fence? So, a guard that who came out, sorry, not here fence but the tree. Sorry student, here not fence but here the tree. So the guard came out from the behind the tree and he also shouted and walked up to the fence and he walked towards the fence. What are you doing near this fence? Shai pointed through that fence. When the guard asked the question to Shai that what are you doing near this fence, and that time Shai pointed through the fence and said that something is there and then dot dot dot. She want to inform them there was something in there or there is a something in there. Yes, there is an airport in there interrupt the guard. When Sai speaked out, Sai replied him when he asked that what are you doing near the fence, and she says that there is something in there, and she want to complain, and in between the guard interrupt him and said that yes, there was an airport and it's not a place for children to play. Please go away. It is not place for children for playing, right? It is not place for playing for the children. So you have to go away. I am not playing. She tried to explain something. She tried to explain. I am not playing here, but something. But the guard paid no heed. Paid no heed means what? Did not listen to him. And he simply waved his hand and asking Sai to leave. It means simply waved. You have to go. You don't live here. You have to leave this place because it's not place for the playing. Now, do you think the watchman listens Sai's matter properly? What is your opinion? No. The watchman did not listen his matter, Sai's matter properly. Why? Because whenever she informed something, the guard interrupt her, and that's why she could not inform properly and she could not give the proper information to him. And that's why it is not that the guard did not listen her. Sai slowly got on her bicycle and rode home. Once again the word rode. Rode means once again she ride her bicycle. With her bicycle she reached home. What was the thing on the ground? Was it a part of the plane? I should do something, but what can I do? She kept thinking. See, why did the guard not pay attention on Sai? Because the guard think what? That she is a children. She is a, sorry, she is not children. She is a girl, right? And she is thinking that it is a place of playing. That's why he did not listen to her. Then what did Sai think? So Sai thought about the part, about the thing that is fall from the plane, right? That is fall from the plane, and that's why she has a lots of question in her mind that what was the thing on the ground? Was it a part of the plane? And what should I do? How can I do? What can I do? These are the question is around raised in her mind. It was almost 7:30 when she reached home. So what was the time when Sai reached home? So it was the evening time, 7:30. Sai ran to her room and studied the photograph she had taken. It was a grey piece of metal. See that. What did Sai do after reaching at home? So first of all, she ran towards her room and studied the photograph, which photograph she took with her camera pictures, and she observed that it was a grey color metal piece. It was grey piece of metal. Now she then raced to her bookshelf and pulled out a book. Then suddenly she ran towards her bookshelf and she took one book, and the name of the book is Plains of Today. So give the name of the book. The name of the book is what? Plains of Today. She quietly turned her pages till she found the picture of Boeing 747, which was similar to the plane which had taken off for Bangkok. So what did Sai find from the book? So see this question. What did Sai find from the book? So she find a picture of a one plane, and the plane is Boeing 747, right? This plane E was similar to the plane which had taken for Bangkok. It means Bangkok ka plane and Boeing 747 both are similar. Where is that thing? Where is that thing? What is it? I have to find out what is it. She said to herself as she pored over the book. Then she found it. Pored over the book means what? So she studied or read. She studied the read, and she studied about this part or read about this part. So she says that what was the thing that she saw? So first of all, see, so what? That is, the grey thing was a part of 747's landing gear. It means whatever they see, find out in the pictures, grey piece of metal. It is the 747's landing gear. Now landing gear means what? That is the set of the wheels and other parts that support a plane when it touch down on the ground. Right? We know that when it's the front side of the plane is touch on the ground, it is a part, and a part of the landing gear. She was shocked. The landing gear brings the wheels down. The plane needs its wheels to land. The plane is in danger. About 400 people are in danger. What can I do to help? See that. Why was she shocked when she knew about the part? Because it was the landing gear, and we all know that landing gear is a part to brings the wheels down, and the plane needs to the wheels for the landing. Yes, the plane needs to land for the wheels needs for the landing, and the plane, it is a danger because the plane was in danger. Why? Because there are almost 400 people who were traveling into this plane, and that's why she was worried about this part and this plane. She tried to think calmly. Her parents had gone out. Her brother was in his room doing his homework. So, where did her parents and brother? So, her parents had gone outside, right? And her brother was in his room for doing his homework. So, students, here I completed my second part. I hope you have to learn this chapter, learn this part thoroughly. Watch carefully this video also, because you have to learn. You can see the intelligence of this girl. You can see intelligence of this girl from this part. So I had to complete second part here. Thank you, student.